Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get hard candy out of a bowl. Place the bowl in the freezer for 10 to 15 minutes, then flip it onto a towel and tap gently to release candies. If pieces stick, run a silicone spatula around the edge and let warm water briefly touch the bowl rim only. Work patiently and avoid scraping the glass to prevent chips. You'll get clean whole candies and minimal mess. Try a warm edge approach to free stubborn candies without melting everything. Hold the bowl upside down and run warm water over the rim while tapping the opposite side. Wait a few seconds and tap again. For very stuck pieces, wrap a warm towel around the base so heat transfers slowly. Avoid pouring hot water directly into cold glass to prevent cracking. These steps keep candies intact and minimize mess. In this ad break, please subscribe and like if this tutorial is helping you remove hard candy fast. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker brings music and timers to your kitchen, so you can set precise chill timers hands-free while you work. Check the description for the link and other deals where we list helpful tools. Thanks for supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Keep tools simple and safe when freeing hard candy from bowls. Use a silicone spatula or wooden spoon to nudge pieces and a towel to protect surfaces and catch candy. Never scrape with metal or apply sudden hot water to cold glass to avoid chips and thermal shock. Work slowly around the rim and use short taps to loosen pieces. These gentle habits reduce mess, preserve your bowl, and save cleanup time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.